We started the process last year during summer school. We wanted to make busing as easy as possible for our most vulnerable students. That would be pre-K students that are going into kindergarten, first graders. We wanted to make sure that they would get on the right bus and have good direction. We could associate an animal with a bus number that is something that all students would know. Everyone knows what a frog looks like, what a bunny looks like, what a grasshopper looks like. So what we did is we found a contractor that could actually make magnets for us. And once we got the designs, we wanted designs that were friendly, kind of fun. Once we got a contractor that could put the designs on a magnet, we went ahead and had magnets made. When the student is looking for their bus in the elementary, most of the time they won't tell you what their bus number is. They will tell you I'm the grasshopper bus, or I'm the whale bus, or whatever, the turtle bus or whatever. So that's kind of evolved into that. And in the past, the first 2-3 days of school, or the first time a student rides the bus, we've had multiple. I mean, we've had as many as 10, 12 students get on the wrong buses, which creates a lot of issues, a lot of problems, a lot of confusion, a lot of angst, especially with parents, because there's students not on the bus. We always find them, but they get on the wrong bus. And this year, I believe we had the least amount since I've been around with the district that we've had get on the incorrect bus. So from that standpoint, it's successful, and the teachers thought that was great. And actually, the startup was probably one of the best startups we've ever had based on that fact alone.
Yeah, so the new bus signs this year have been amazing. Our youngest learners make a lot of connections with the symbols and the animals or the pictures they make that make sense to their brain. And so if I ask a kindergartner what bus you ride, I'll get an answer like I'm on the elephant bus or I'm on the goldfish bus. And even staff, especially the routine was kicked off this fall, they made a lot of connections with their kids, even saying, I heard teachers, especially younger grades, saying, hey, you're on the goldfish bus, you're on the llama bus, or you're on the elephant bus. And so that imagery seems to work really well for our youngest learners. And that was really the intent, and the design was to put something in place that made sense to our kids, especially our younger ones. It's been great.